it's just it removed the blue. Well, that's I think okay still, because it still works. It's taking some of the tiles away. So okay, now I want the player to be able to select the direction at the end of the movement. So at the end of move unit, and when all the animation is completed. Okay, so let's maybe remove this console log. I can call it done. And also after all the complete animation is complete, so unit component complete. So actually console log this event. Is it a component? Yes, so we'll have to reload. So it's not logging the event. Why is that? Because my computer is so slow. Okay, so now it's coming. So event is not event. Well, so event is only called once actually. Is that true? No, event is being called repeatedly. Okay, repeatedly. So this is animation 0. This is animation 2. This is animation 3. And this is animation 7. So what about other animations? If moving one block, it's animation 0 it's called. Moving 2 blocks, animation 1 is called. If turning right, 2 animations are called. So if turning left, 2 animations called. But if moving backward, 2 animations called. So it's like rotation animation, or if the animation is continuous, then it doesn't really call the previous animation complete. Do I like it? No, maybe not. But so that means all the old animations will be saved, and it can be played at some point. I don't know, but it's looking good now, so I am just gonna leave it as is. So some of the animations left, but that's alright. So anyway, so all the animations are completed. When that happens, we have to allow the player to select the direction of which he wants this unit to face. Okay, so how do we know all the animations are complete? That is, we get to see the number of animations and compare that to the animation name. So when we do that, so let's go to stage move unit function, and after pass, so unit animation count equals to paths length. I can't really do that, can I? Units update unit.id, and have to set the parameter length. That that's what it is, animation count. Okay, so units animation count is updated, and so unit component after event and remove attribute. If event detail name split underscore and pop equals to the unit dot animation count this. Okay, console log. This is the last animation, and animation count value is not updated, so I have to update the unit again. Let's do that. So let's keep an eye on the console, because it's gonna log out the this is the last animation call, and I have to catch that. I want to see that. Or I mean, you can actually alert it, right? This is the last animation when the timing is important. Okay, so let's reload because it's a component. A-frame component doesn't accept the hot reload. Move, and it doesn't give me the alert. Why is that? Unit. Maybe that was the case. That was the case, I guess. You have to climb it. Bingo. But it doesn't give me the alert. Because... oh, length -1 then. Animation count -1. This is the last animation. Perfect. So then that happens. When that happens, I have to show the thing. So each unit would have this like angle thing. Gosh, I'm just gonna go to here, unit component. Yep, cone is good. So triangle, or is it called triangle? Triangle, yes. A triangle. Position is 0.6. Width 8, position, and Z is 0.5. Yeah, show me. Okay. So -90, 0, 0. Oh, sorry. 0, 0, -90. Oh yeah. So XYZ negative. A entity well, I just need some offsetter to, because I'm gonna have 4 triangles, right? So I want to offset each triangle with the axis. So what it is I'm just gonna bring this position. So each triangle is offset only by the axis, and a entity this is where it's 1.60. See how it looks like. See, so everything, so z and also it's just too wide. I will say 3 and 8 as 1 is alright. So it's kind of like a flat rectangle. And why is it not doing anything? Okay, so that's good. And I will what happens if I make this and rotation, add rotation 0, 90, 0. Okay, that's what I mean. And arrow 8. That's what I mean. Okay. That's what I mean. So that's good. And let's shrink the width. And I will just make a component to make this a component. So this, create a component, extract component. Yeah. Direction triangle. Well, you know what? Let's create a component with this. Not the definition, but direction components. Where is it? Extra direction triangle dot svelte, and did it make it? Direction triangle, yes. So direction triangle, I'm just gonna make a source folder. Is it on the library? No, route is not in the library. So new folder, hide atom, and bring it to new folder. I'm just categorize that actually. A frame entity components. A frame entity components, and make it an atom and direction. I believe that's the smallest chunk, right? Maybe not. Molecule, new folder, molecules. Yep. So where is it? In fact, you still need some, but not the whole thing. export let direction string is south first direction. So if the direction is south, okay, so rotation okay. Now so direction is if this, then sorry, then if direction is south, it's 180. If direction is north, it's 90. And if direction is west, it's 270. And if direction is east, that's 90. This is it. And 0. And direction south. Unless it begins with a capital letter. Oh, I see what you mean. Direction triangle. Direction triangle. And change the name of the component. Direction triangle. Something wrong with the component. Direction triangle is no, rotation. So what's wrong? Attempted to close an element that was not open. Oh, okay, I see. Directional, right? This is it. Gonna make the whole thing sorry, I'll make the whole thing as a component. Okay, so directional components. So oops, X, Y, Z, I see. 0 something something. Oh, and that's not what I meant. What I meant was this is what I meant. And x.5 y.3001. Yes, so that's what it is. Back to the scene. Okay, so that's kind of like what I want. Okay, great. What I noticed was clicking would actually trigger another thing. And I don't like that actually. So a component. Okay, I'm just gonna finish it today. I completed I aced the movement calculation. Yeah, I really like it. So I will be working more on this, but goodbye for now. Right, thank you. Bye.